Hi guys, this is the new video that I was making on the instant funding tournament. So I was trading this tournament from the last 2 weeks, and I was quite successful into the tournament. And like I got my position to get the 10k account to get the to while competing in this tournament. So let me tell you about the tournament, and then I will move forward, tell you about my standing and how I trade and all the information that you need in this to trade this tournament, or I would say that to know about this tournament. So the prof fund that I was trading with, the tournament is uh, provided by the prof fund, which is instant funding. I have seen some of their reviews. Their reviews are quite good, and I also joined their Discord community. They are quite helpful. If their response rate is good, and I haven't seen a close member, a close person to me who have taken a withdraw from them. So I was not sure about them, but according to the online my research and their few of their Trustpilot reviews, they have a mixed reviews, but most of them are good. So this is the tournament that they provided us to trade, and let me tell you more about them. So if you go, this is the prize. If you are competing in this tournament, if you get the first position, you get the $2,000 cash, 100k one face challenge. For the second position, you will get the $1,000 cash with the 100k challenge, and these are all the one face challenges. And for the third, you will get the 500 cash with a 100k challenge. And from 4th to 10th position, you will get $50,000 cash, one face challenge, and 100k cash prize. And same goes with from place 11 to 30, you will get the 25k one face challenge, and also get the $50 cash prize. And for 31 to 100, you will get the 10,000 one face challenge. So I was aiming for this because I don't want to risk it all. So I was aiming at least to get the 10k one face challenge with them while competing in the tournament. And from 100 to onward, they will provide some kind of discount and special offer. I don't know about that, like what kind of discount and special offer they will provide. Let's talk about their rules. So if you want to compete in this tournament, you can only register from one IP. Okay, so one IP per entry. Years are allowed. Daily drawdown is calculated based on the equity and the balance. This is the problem because I think there is some kind of system error in their system, because related to this, even though you have not touched the equity and the balance, you sometimes get the message from them that you have reached the daily drawdown limit. So these are the rule: 5% next daily loss as usual. If you are taking any challenge, this is the standard rule into the community. With any prop fund, 10% max overall loss, 5 trading days minimum. Okay, you can news trade, normal commissions apply, martingale, you can do martingale, other strategies are allowed, and you can hold up to 5 position at a time. Maximum lot size is 5 per currency pair. So I usually trade a currency pair, and I also trade metals like gold, and you can also trade indices and commodities. So let's go into my account and see what is my balance right now. So this is my balance. They have provided a 100k account in the start of the tournament, and into the 2 weeks I have converted the 100k to 1 lakh 15,896. This is enough to be in the top 100. And if you could see, this is my trading journal that I have took many trades, and these are all the trades that I have taken for this account. This is my end balance right now. This is Saturday right now. Friday was not good for me, even though I have took a great trade. I was a short on BTC. If you could see that on a Friday, like BTC was bearish, and on the first time after hitting their highest 70, BTC is below $55,000. So I took the short trade on a BTC Also, I want to show you some more things that when you register with the instant funding for their tournament, you can go into the competition, click on the standings. This is where you can see the leaderboard and the other people who are competing in this tournament. So these are all the people. This is the person who is in the first position. He have like almost again 142. So right now its balance would be around like 2,42,092 dollars, and these are the gains that they have. So this is the first, second, and these are the standing. So I just want to tell you that why I was saying that I can easily be into the top 100. So you could see that on the first 100, the last balance is 15,865.12, and my balance is greater than like 115,896. So I would, my position would be around like 98, 98 or 99. So, but on the Friday, while I was trading, I got the message from them that unfortunately your participation to the Trade Olympics come to the end. Daily drawdowns limitation. Even though I have sent them an email, this is the code that they have provided. I don't think they could help me at all. So this is where I'm standing right now. If I could search my name, you could see that. If I could search my name in the tournament, you could see this is the balance that is showing like 15.9, 15. This is the balance 895, and this is the same balance. So this is raw and a very honest video. So this is all the things that I was going through. I was trading this trading tournament from the last 2 weeks, and unfortunately at the last day, at the Friday, because on a Monday it would be a result there, I was pretty confident that I got the position to the 100 quite easily. I even have sent the email to them that it was their system error. I haven't uh, like reach the daily loss limit, but they say that this is system generated and something like that. So I was quite disappointed at them regarding their 5% max daily loss. These are all the details. I will try to put the email to put the link in the description so you can also compete in this tournament. One more thing is that I was trying to build a community where a person can come tell us that this is my strategy, and he was not quite sure about that. Okay, if his strategy will work or not, you can just come back to me and tell me that this is a strategy I have in my mind. Should I have traded or not? Then we can back test it again. We take the 100 trades, and I was not asking you to pay me anything, to buy any course, to like buy, to give me money for any kind of signals. We are gonna backtest your strategy or any strategy into the Zoom live, into the Discord, and every 100 trades. I know we can't take the 100 trades on a 1 day, so we can like divide those 100 trades, and at the end of the 100 trades we could see if this strategy is successful or not. I was just trying to build a community. I was very inspired by Iman Trading. I think he's doing a great on a YouTube, and he's quite honest and raw. So I was just trying to build a community where a person can come and we can backtest his strategy. If you could see on a on a YouTube, you could see every strategies have a 80%, 90%, or more than that winning rate on the thumbnail or on a description. But even though I have backtested those strategies, and they don't have any kind of 30% or 35% win rate, which is quite disappointed. So on a YouTube, all the informations are false. They are just trying to get a client to get your money. And I was quite honest with you guys that right now I'm not asking you any kind of any kind of money. I was just trying to build a community where every person can come and he tell me that this is a strategy that I have seen, or this is a strategy that my influencer have, and he told me that this have a 80 to 90% win rate. Okay, if this have a 80 to 90% win rate, let's come and we will backtest it again. And I'm not asking you, I will backtest it privately. You guys can join on a Discord. We can share the screen on a Zoom, on a Google Meet, and we will backtest it again. I have a previous data of like 10 to 12 years. We can backtest it on that pair. Usually I backtest on Euro USD and gold. So these are two things that these are two pairs which I really love to backtest and to trade. So you guys are more than welcome. I will put the Discord link in the description, and you guys can join. You can even tell guys message me or email me. I have put my email into the description as well. So this video is gonna be a very raw. You guys can join, and I would be happy if you guys help me to build this community. And this is solo a very honest community, not like on any internet community which you could see. So I want a community like babybabes.com, and there where nobody is asking for any kind of money. So if you like this video, give me a subscribe, like this video, and share with other traders as well. Thank you so much for your time.